Now we have all the face pretty much ready, and are missing just the cheek. So what I did, I split this thread, that is like a bit thick to do the cheeks because they're tiny. So I split it in two. So I have this one, this strand that is really thin. So I think it will look better. If you don't want to split, that's cool too. So you can do it the best way that it works for you. Okay, so I'm making a little knot, and we're gonna just like in a very freestyle way, we're gonna fill these little cheeks. Let's see how it works. So what I do, I just stitch the whole cheek, but in a freestyle way. So I'm not doing like the same sizes of stitches, but for now I'm using the same direction. You can do the same size of stitches, it's better for you. Also, I chose this color because I think it's nice. If you have other colors for the cheeks, you can use it. Maybe other more pale colors, or even like, I don't know, blue or whatever color. So you can do some experimentation here. So this is how we fill our cheeks. So really like this basic and simple stitch. Same with the other one, so it'll be the same process.